Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for August 20th through September 1st. August 20th to 24th, we have a trough ridge pattern that is forecast over the Northeast Pacific with a trough of evolutions you can see, and we have a ridge here. And this will lead to a trough in the east that will begin to develop. And a ridge over the Rockies is forecast to weaken and become more suppressed as we go through the period. So you're looking at the GFS. That's what we see. Trailing cold front will likely produce a broad area of showers and thunderstorms from the plains eastward into eastern U.S. Cooler and drier air will spread into the eastern half of the country. More rain is forecast from the mid-Atlantic to the southeast and along the Gulf Coast as the boundary stalls across the region. The southwest will continue to experience diurnal activity, and the greatest anomalies are forecast with the below normal temperatures for the northern central plains, with anomalies of 10 to 15 degrees below normal, and the cool air will spread eastward with lower anomalies. August 23rd to 27th. The patterns forecast to de-amplify. We have a broad ridge here across much of the nation. We also have a ridge here and a ridge here, and we have a trough here near the Bering Sea. And we take a look at the models. They're in good agreement. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here and for the Northeast. Anomalies of 4 to 12 degrees. Above normal are forecast. Greater anomalies will be here in the west. And below normal temperatures are forecast here, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for much of this area here. Probability of occurrence is 45%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for the southern Rockies and for much of this area here. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Now the forecast for August 28th to September 1st. Here we are at the 28th. The westerlies remain across the north, and we have a ridge here over the Eastern Pacific or over the Gulf of Alaska, and we have a trough here back here by the Bering Sea, and we also have a ridge here. The NAEFS, let me see if I can find that model, has a trough here over western Canada into the northern Rockies, where the European ensembles keeps the trough here across the northern border. So for this forecast period with almost a zone of flow, I am forecasting near to above normal temperatures for much of the nation. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 12 degrees above normal. And again, the highest anomalies will be in the west. I think this has a lot to do with soil moisture, and more, other than just with the ridge and the recent dry conditions. And the lesser anomalies to the east. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 45%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for August 20th through September 1st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.